Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to talk about how to install Google Chrome web browser on your system, Ubuntu Linux system. As you know, Google Chrome web browser is the most widely used web browser in the world. It is very fast, easy to use, and secure browser. However, Chrome browser is not an open source browser, so it is not included in the Ubuntu repositories, so you have to install the Google Chrome browser individually. Now I'm logged in my system as a user. sysdev users we have created the other days ago. First, open your terminal by clicking on the terminal icon, and then download the latest Google Chrome packages with wget command. Again, download the latest Google Chrome browser package with wget command. As you can see, wget https://dl.google.com/linux/directory/google Chrome stable current amd64.dev. Write it down in your prompt. Now downloading. You can see the download was very good. Now I'm going to install the packages. Installing packages on Ubuntu requires sudo privileges. However, the sysdev user we logged in is not a user with sudo privileges, so we have to change the normal user into a user with sudo privileges. Using Excel program, we will log in the systems as a Ubuntu user with sudo privileges. We will open the sudoers file in order to insert the normal user, the normal sysdev user. The sudo files is in the /etc/sudoers. You have to open using the command sudo vi/etc/sudoers. Below this line, we will insert the sysdev users like this. And save the file, and then you will log in as the sysdev users. Now the sysdev users became the sudo user. So it is possible to install the packages as the sysdev user. Now install the Google Chrome.deb package by typing sudo apt install /Google Chrome stable current amd64.deb. This line, as you can see, okay, sudo apt install, sudo apt install, okay. You will be asked to enter your user password, so type your password. Okay, now Google Chrome is installed on your Ubuntu system. You can start it from the command line by typing Google-Chrome, Google-Chrome, like this, Google-Chrome. When you start Google Chrome for the first time, you will see the dialog messages. Make Google Chrome the default browser, something like that. Okay, click. If you want to make Google Chrome your default browser, click OK. And then Google Chrome will open and you will see the default Chrome welcome page. Welcome to Chrome. Okay, that's it. In this course today, we'll show you how to install Google Chrome browser on your Ubuntu system. Thank you very much. See you.